Hey guys, welcome to Kitī Drawings. Today I'll be drawing this cute Sanrio style love letter. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off by drawing the shape of the letter. Let's draw a line across for the top. And then bring it down on both sides. And then a line across at the bottom. Next, we're going to hop inside and draw a heart in the center. Now from both of the top corners, let's draw an angle down towards the heart. And the same thing from the bottom. Now that we have the shape of the letter, let's hop out and let's draw the wings. Let's start on the top left and let's draw a curve up and curve it back in underneath. And let's do the same on the right side. Now under the curve, let's draw another one in. And then one more back to the letter. And that's it for the wings. Now let's hop back inside the letter, and at the bottom, let's write the word to. Then let's add 2 dots. And then you can write whatever name you want, but I'm gonna write my love. And that's it for this love letter. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!